Imou Cell Go is a compact wireless security camera with a 120-day battery life, 2K resolution video recording, AI human detection, and even a unique vlog feature. Let's take a look at the key features so you can decide if this camera is right for you. Just before we start, a short brand introduction. Imou's reach extends across over 100 countries and regions, boasting a user base exceeding 25 million worldwide, which shows brand's maturity and commitment to customer service. The product comes in a pretty standard box that showcases the key features of the camera. The camera can be purchased separately or as a kit, and prices start at just £45 in the UK, which is an excellent value for money. Check out the video description for the product page and other information. I have the Cell Go kit with a solar panel that provides infinite free energy from the sun, so you won't need to charge your camera again. I'll talk more about this panel in just a bit. In the retail box, you get a few mounting brackets and hardware, an adhesive sticker, a charging cable, and some paperwork. The Cell Go is a wireless camera with a built-in massive 5000 mAh battery, which ensures up to 120 days of battery life. If you hook it up to this solar panel, you can forget about charging the camera as you get free energy from the sun. The solar panel sports its rugged IP65 certified design. It is well constructed and built to last. It has a long 3 meters cable, so you can pick the spot where the sun hits it the most. Additionally, it has a 1/4-inch thread, so you can mount it using the provided cradle or your own mounting bracket. Just like the solar panel, the Cell Go has an IP65 certification, which allows it to be used outdoors no matter the weather conditions. The camera has built-in 4 GB encrypted storage, providing ample space for storing 2 or 3 months worth of videos. Additionally, you get free cloud storage trial for 1 year. Despite its massive battery, the Cell Go is very compact and relatively light, so you can put it pretty much anywhere. Even though the camera is mainly designed to be used with the supplied mounting brackets, a universal 1/4-inch thread allows you to mount it anywhere and use any mount you want. That means that you have a lot of options and you can change the location of the camera in no time. You can install it either in a visible spot to deter the intruders or discreetly to record what's going on without others seeing the camera. For the purposes of this review, I mounted the camera in different spots to show its versatility and mobility. The camera can be also mounted using a magnetic mount. The build quality of the Cell Go is very good and it feels robust. On the front of the unit, there is a camera sensor that is capable of recording 2K resolution video. You can also find a night vision module, a PIR sensor, a mic, and an LED status indicator. On the back, there is the already mentioned 1/4-inch thread, a micro USB charging port that is covered with a flap to preserve waterproof properties, and a loudspeaker for a two-way talk feature and alarm. On the bottom, you can find a power key and a vlog button, a feature that I've never seen on a security camera. Simply press the key and record your vlogs on the go. This is not something that I would use every day, but kudos to Imou for innovating and bringing cool features in the security camera segment. Here is a quick sample.
This is a video and audio test 1 2 3 1 2 3, and right now I'm holding the camera in 2 hands and I'm walking slowly.
To use the camera, you need to pair it up with your phone using the Imou Live app. On the home screen, you can see the live view of the camera, turn on or off the sound and the mic, record videos or take pictures manually, or change the video resolution. The 2K resolution video is recorded at 15 FPS, which is enough for security needs. There is plenty of detail and sharpness, and you can clearly see the objects that are both close and far away from the camera. Also, I like the audio quality using the two-way talk feature. You can even change your voice, but I kept it at the original voice setting. Here is a quick test.
Hello, audio and video test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
The night video quality is nice, and while this technology has been around for a while, it is still pretty crazy that the camera this small can see in the dark. It is advertised that the camera has 90% accuracy when it comes to human detection, so you can avoid unnecessary notifications. After testing this feature for quite some time now, I can say that it is very accurate and it detects me all the time. The app allows you to select detection sensitivity and choose the activity zone, so you won't get unnecessary notifications on your phone or you simply want to protect your privacy. In addition, you can set a detection schedule. If you need every moment to be detected, simply switch to the motion detection mode, which is super sensitive and accurate. The camera also has a privacy mode. In addition to this, there is a built-in siren that can get very loud. Here's a quick sound test. The app also allows you to choose from different performance modes depending on your preferences. You can also switch to the vlog mode, see the vlog album, and even record a time-lapse video. You can also see all the events, for instance, when the motion was detected. Further, you can see the timeline, watch the videos recorded by the camera, and download them to your phone. The app also allows you to adjust the notification settings, see the battery left, and change quite a few camera settings like the status LED, beep, sleep mode countdown, audio recording, HDR, image rotation, and so on. The Cell Go supports Amazon Alexa, so you can control it with your voice. Additionally, it works in the no Wi-Fi area. That means that the camera doubles as a hotspot, linking seamlessly to your phone. Now, even while you are on the move without a signal, you can effortlessly transmit the video. Taking everything into account, the Imou Cell Go impresses me with this array of features housed within a compact, portable, and weather-sealed body. Add a solar panel to it and forget about charging, just enjoy free energy from the sun. Having utilized the Imou Cell Go extensively, I can attest to its reliability, ease of use, portability, long-lasting battery, good image quality, and accurate AI human detection, qualities that have become my favorites over time. With that said, I can recommend it to anyone seeking an abundance of features at a budget-friendly price point. If you're interested in picking one up, check out the video description for all the links and show notes. What do you think about this security camera? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.